हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 4.1 फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पवन मेडिकल सप्लाइज medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Now the rate of GST is given, that is 12%. So solution, the rate of GST is equal to 12%, that is given. Now rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. So rate of CGST plus rate of SGST is equal to rate of GST, क्योंकि CGST और SGST जो होता है वो GST के आधा होता है, that is CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of the GST. So rate of CGST is equal to 12% divided by 2, that is 6%. So answer will be rate of CGST is equal to 6% and rate of SGST is equal to 6%. तो इजीली हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। हमें क्या करना है, बस CGST और SGST जो होता है दैट इज हाफ ऑफ द GST, तो GST के आधा होता है, यही हमें ध्यान में रखना है। सो CGST प्लस SGST इज इक्वल टू GST। तो बहुत ही इजीली हम लोग सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखेंगे, on certain articles if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? Now हमें मालूम है कि rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. So solution लिखेंगे, rate of CGST is 9%, that is given. Now rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST is equal to 9%. Therefore rate of GST इज इक्वल टू रेट ऑफ SGST प्लस रेट ऑफ CGST। जो GST होता है वो SGST और CGST के एडिशन जितना होता है। देयरफॉर रेट ऑफ GST इज इक्वल टू 9% प्लस 9%, दैट इज 18%। तो हम लोग फाइनल आंसर लिखेंगे, दस द रेट ऑफ SGST इज 9% एंड द रेट ऑफ GST इज 18%। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखेंगे, Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charge in the tax invoice. Solution, total taxable values of 2 tins of luster paint is equal to 2800 multiplied by 2, so that equals to rupees 5600. Now rate of GST is 28%, that is given. So rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST, that equals to 28% divided by 2, that is 14%. Amount of CGST charge is equal to amount of SGST charge, that equals to 14 divided by 100 multiply by 5600, that equals to 784 rupees. So हम लोग आंसर लिखेंगे, thus the amount of CGST charge is rupees 784 and the amount of SGST charge is rupees 784 in the tax invoice. Question number 4 देखेंगे, the taxable value of wristwatch belt is rupees 586, rate of GST is 18%, then what is price of the belt for the customer? Now हमें taxable value दी हुई है and हमें फाइंड करना है the price for the customer. So solution लिखेंगे, taxable value of a wristwatch belt is 586, that is given. Now rate of GST is 18%, that is also given. Amount of GST is equal to 18% into 586, that is 18 divided by 100 into 586, that equals to 105.48. Therefore price of the belt for the customer is equal to taxable value of wristwatch belt plus amount of GST. So that equals to rupees 586 plus rupees 105.48, that equals to 691.48. So we'll write the answer, thus the price of the belt for the customer is rupees 491.48. So this is our final answer. Question number 5. The total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value, CGST and SGST for this toy car. Now let the taxable value of the toy car be X rupees. So rate of GST is equal to 18%, that is given. Taxable value of the toy car plus amount of GST is equal to 1770, that is also given. Therefore X plus 18x divided by 100 is equal to 1770. Therefore 118x divided by 100 is equal to 1770. Therefore x is equal to 100 divided by 118 multiply by 1770, that equals to 1500. So we can write the taxable value of the toy car is rupees 1500. So the taxable value of the toy car is 1500. Now rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to 9%. Therefore, we'll write the answer. Amount of CGST on the toy car is equal to amount of SGST on the toy car is equal to 9 upon 100 into 1500, that equals to 135. So this is our final answer. Question number 6. Tip Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51200 with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice of Tip Top Electronics. So first, rate of SGST on AC is equal to rate of CGST on AC is equal to 14%. 2. Rate of GST on AC is equal to rate of CGST on AC plus rate of SGST on AC, that equals to 14% plus 14% is equal to 28%. Let the taxable value of AC be rupees X. Taxable value of AC plus amount of GST is 51200. Therefore X plus 28 upon 100x is equal to 51200. So 128x upon 100 is equal to 51200. Therefore x is equal to 100 divided by 128 into 51200, that equals to 40000, that is 40,000. So the taxable value of AC is rupees 40,000. 4. Total amount of GST is equal to cost of AC with GST minus taxable value of AC is equal to 51200 minus 40000, that equals to 11200. 5. Amount of CGST is equal to half into total amount of GST, that equals to half into 11200 is equal to rupees 5600. Amount of SGST is equal to half into total amount of GST, that equals to half into 11200 is equal to 5600. So these are our 5 answers. Question number 7. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. Solution. Now the printed price of washing machine is 40,000, that is given. Discount on washing machine is equal to 5% of rupees 40,000, that equals to 5 upon 100 into 40,000, that equals to 2,000. Taxable value of washing machine is equal to 40,000 minus 2,000, that equals to 38,000. Rate of GST is given, that is 28%. So amount of GST on washing machine is equal to 28% of rupees 38,000. So 28 upon 100 into 38,000 is equal to 10,640. Therefore, purchase price of washing machine is equal to taxable value of washing machine plus amount of GST, that equals to 38,000 plus 10,640 is equal to 48,640. So the purchase price of washing machine is 48,640. Now amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST is equal to half into amount of GST, that equals to half into 10,640 is equal to 5320 rupees. So आंसर लिखेंगे, thus the amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST is rupees 5320 in the tax invoice.